Hi guys, welcome back. I'll be using this coily texture clipping extension from HerGivenHair. It's a 3B to 3C texture, and guys, I am absolutely in love with this unit. The hair is high quality and it has a human hair texture blend, and it is very easy to install. Like, any beginner can do this. And this came with some extra clips. And guys, HerGivenHair is a brand that focuses on textured hair, and there are varieties of products that are designed to mimic the human hair texture, and their products are all giving, guys. You can check my description box for their website link, and don't forget that all of the details of this unit is available in the description box. So guys, let's go ahead with the installation.
Sky, I was always in denial of what I saw.
So to start the process, you have to open up the comb-like clips and gently slide the comb into your hair. Don't clip in the extension too close to your hairlines. You don't want to inflict pain on your scalp, and that is it. Just clip it in properly, and that's all. Guys, this is so easy to install. You just have to repeat the process till you get to the front.
Forever, let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together.
So guys, for the finishing parts, I am taking some strands and I am crossing it over to the other side. Just make sure you don't take too much strands. Just keep taking some strands and keep crossing it over. This will give it that natural seamless look, like it's going to look like it's growing from the scalp.
Inside my head is telling me to say the night again and hold on to the words we always say. Sky, I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight.